In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Twitter on all devices. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Twitter app, and there could be two different ways how you can log out of your devices. The first way is to log out just from current device, and the second way is to log out of all devices, and in that video I'm gonna show you both of that ways. So if you want to log out just from current device, you can hit right here at profile icon, then scroll down and tap on settings and support, then settings and privacy, then your account and account information. There, in order to log out from your current account, you can hit right here at logout link to log out from that account. If you want to log out from all of your devices at once, you can hit at your profile icon, then go to settings and privacy again. Next, hit on security and account access, then apps and sessions, then hit on sessions, and now you can check all the devices where you are logged in with that account. So now here you can tap at any of that devices, and in order to log out just from that specific device, you can hit at log out the device shown, and if you want to log out from all of your devices, you can hit right there at log out of all other sessions. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.